More succumb to floods in Poland. Torrential rains sweeping the Central European nation with the worst floods in over a decade cost 15 lives by Monday, May 24th, as the Vistula River swelled to overflowing near the southwestern Sandomierz district, bringing waters up to 6 meters deep into the area's villages.
As the flood wave moved further north, a more than 50-metre levee breach near the east-central village of Svinare caused major flooding, with 4,000 people who had to be immediately evacuated and 22 villages put on watch. Interior Ministry spokeswoman Małgorzata Wozniak warned the flood barriers in many parts of Poland are in a very poor condition now after days of inundation. Meanwhile, the nation's army was called in to help with emergency repairs of the broken levees, some of which had water flowing in at a rate of 800 cubic metres a second. Arriving rescue teams from neighbouring European countries helped the soldiers, as well as other personnel working from helicopters and boats, who continued to rescue residents stranded on rooftops.
Upon knowing of this widespread misfortune to the Polish people, Supreme Master Ching Hai conveyed her deep sympathies and prayers, asking that our association members go there to see if help is needed, as she added that financial assistance is available as necessary. Our appreciation government officials, army and rescue personnel, as well as international volunteers for your ready aid to the flood affected. We also thank Supreme Master Ching Hai for her heartfelt concern for the vulnerable. Our sympathies for the lives lost as we pray for the residents' smooth recovery and that such calamities are minimized as we strive for more caring stewardship of our ecosphere.